2 friends and 2 Huracans on PCH. Doesn't get much better than that. I feel like I'm in an episode of Fast and Furious. Is the tuned Spider faster than a stock coupe? There's only one way to find out. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you guys missed the last video, I finally wrapped the Lamborghini Huracan in Miami blue. I am absolutely obsessed with the way the car came out. I love the blue and the black contrasted accents, especially with that white interior. So today I thought it would be a perfect day to go for a drive in the Huracan with the top down, because my friend Mike Riley just took delivery of his all-wheel drive Huracan. I wanted to put them head to head because this one's a Spider, weighs a little bit more, but it has a tune. So I'm curious to see, is the tuned Spider faster than a stock coupe? And well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go find him. I think my favorite angle on the Huracan has to be the front end. These mean fins in the front end are just absolutely badass. All right, let's roll. All right, time to fire up that V10. Corsa mode always. The pops and cracks. That does not get old. I wanted to thank you guys so much for convincing me to get this car. Honestly, I'm excited to have a car that we all love on the channel that you guys picked out, and it is such a winner. The Huracan is actually incredible. Mike sent me pictures of his car. His spec is absolutely incredible. I haven't seen it yet in person. I can't wait to check this thing out. Look at those views. Damn, that tower up there is actually wild. There she is. Here we go, guys. Mike's new Huracan. What's going on, dude?
What's up, bro? How's it been?
It's been good. I'm a little confused. You just got a rear-wheel drive Huracan, and then you switched from the rear-wheel drive Evo to an all-wheel drive Evo?
Yeah, so personally, the rear-wheel drive was a little crazy.
Too much wheel spin?
Yeah, man. I felt like I had too much horsepower, not enough control.
Word?
Yeah, I didn't even launch that car. I was that terrified. Yeah.
That is the one thing I will say from a practical standpoint. These all-wheel drive cars, I mean, you have to remember, horsepower numbers are getting crazy nowadays, but still 631 horsepower stock is a ridiculous amount. The rear-wheel drive car, putting all that power to the rear wheels, although it's a little bit less for the rear-wheel drive car.
610 horsepower. Yeah, I think the 580-2 is the best rear-wheel drive they made. I feel like the newer one just has too much horsepower.
Interesting.
The rear-wheel steering here actually makes a big difference between the rear
100%. The all-wheel drive layout with the rear-wheel steering, this car is absolutely money. So let's take a look at your spec. I kind of want to do a comparison between mine. You guys know what my interior looks like. Let's check out his. You've got the same wheels. What is this? No one else is supposed to have those wheels.
You know, like I had a little inspiration over there.
I guess so, dude. These are fire. All right, so we got red Alcantara. Oh, yeah. You got the carbon fiber leather. That's pretty cool. All right, so on his interior, obviously it's a coupe, so we got that Alcantara roof, red Alcantara seats. I like those carbon fiber accents in the interior. That's sick.
You know, I was just trying to one-up you.
You don't have the forged carbon though.
No, I don't. I do not. You know, you killed me with that one.
I will say I am jealous with the coupe. You get that engine bay cover in glass. I miss being able to see the engine. You don't really get to see anything, dude, on this. I got cool vents. These are nice vents. That's about it.
Yeah, you know, you got me with this forged.
The forged carbon is cool,
beautiful,
dude.
So beautiful.
I like it. All right, I think there's only one thing though. You didn't launch your rear-wheel drive car, so we gotta have you launch this car.
No, I haven't. I will try today.
You're gonna try?
Yes.
We're gonna try right now.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. First time riding in a Huracan Evo. This is a weird feeling. All right, so did you know there's 2 different launch modes?
No, I did not.
There's a sport mode launch control and there's a Corsa mode launch control. Do the Corsa mode one. So you're in Corsa.
Yeah.
He's already got it. Look at that. You've never done it, but you already know how to do it.
Yeah.
And then traction control off, and you just floor the brake all the way, and then floor the gas all the way, and you don't have to shift. You just keep the pedal down.
Really? In Corsa you don't have to shift?
Not in launch control. Promise.
Oh, okay. You ready?
Yep. Ready. I just lost my sunglasses. Wow, from the passenger seat, it's scarier than the driver's seat. That's intense.
That was
wow. All right, you got to do the other mode real quick. It's stupid fire. It does an all-wheel drive burnout. What? Yeah. All right, so in this one, you put it in sport, traction off. All right, and then it does the same thing.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Oh my God.
That one's definitely the most ridiculous.
Oh my gosh. That was crazy.
That's actually crazy.
That was crazy.
What do you think, considering yours is stock, mine's tuned? I think we need a little race action between the two cars.
Yeah, I agree.
I agree. All right, pull it up next to mine. Let's do this. That blue one, though, I don't know, man.
I think I got you beat, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I don't know, man.
I'm pretty confident.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're a little heavier.
I'm a little heavier. We'll find out. We'll see. The launch was actually so hard that I legitimately lost my glasses. Like, it flew off my head, and I don't know where they went. Back into the engine. They're sitting on the tray behind the seats. They got caught. That's amazing. So before this, we were having a debate on the difference in weight. We found out that his car is 257 pounds, which is a lot more than I was expecting, lighter than mine. The difference is we got stock 631 horsepower versus VF tuned 681 horsepower. I actually have zero clue which car is gonna be faster, because weight makes a big difference.
I'm pretty confident this will. 200 and something pounds lighter.
It's gonna be tough.
Yeah, it is.
We'll see how good your shifted is. All right, give me a little rev action.
All right, you doing sport or Corsa?
Corsa, always. All right, dude, see you out there. All right, time for my own launch control. So cool to see another Huracan behind me. The white looks pretty great too. Congrats, Michael. Oh, the pops! In Malibu now, this is such a perfect day for a convertible. I'm super happy with my decision. To be honest, if I had just the Huracan, I'd probably get a coupe. But because I have the 600 LT as my track car, I really wanted to get an open top sports car. And this is like the perfect representation of an awesome convertible supercar. 2 friends and 2 Huracans on PCH. Doesn't get much better than that. I feel like I'm in an episode of Fast and Furious. Tunnel run in the Huracan. The best part about the canyons. That sounds so ridiculous. Oh my God. And another one. Well guys, the GoPros are set up. Tuned Huracan Evo Spider versus stock Huracan Evo Coupe. I don't think so, dude.
I got it.
I think I got you beat. I'm gonna put the top up though.
You're gonna need it.
Oh, let's find out. Definitely gonna lower the wind resistance a little bit by putting the top up, even though I'd rather keep it down because it just feels nicer out with the convertible, but I gotta win this race. You nervous about losing, dude? It's gonna be a bummer. It's gonna be a huge bummer when you lose.
It's gonna be your YouTube channel. It's gonna see you get burned by
We'll see, we'll see.
You know, that was kind of bad. I didn't expect that.
Well, there it is. The tuned Huracan Evo Spider is faster than the stock coupe, which actually makes me, and I'm sure VF Engineering, super proud.
It wasn't that bad though, but like...
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. It was pretty close.
Yeah.
You're out here wanting to do 0 to 60 runs and stuff.
I think I got a better chance.
You might, I mean, maybe. I don't know if you're an expert launch controller yet though.
Oh yeah.
I think I've done launch control like maybe 60 times since I've gotten the car.
Oh wow, okay. Okay.
You've done it once.
I've only done it once. That was today.
Hey, you killed it though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The Huracan Evo Spider takes the cake with the tune versus the stock coupe. That being said, you can't lose either way.
Yeah.
I mean, like, you got a Huracan Evo. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. I got a Huracan Evo. It's also not the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, but I mean, I guess I gotta tune it now.
You gotta tune it, dude.
Yeah, that torque kicks in real quick.
It does, dude. These cars honestly don't have a ton of torque because they're naturally aspirated, and the tune definitely helps with that a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all right.
You were hitting
okay.
that.
It's okay.
You were hitting
man.
that second gear to third so fast, and I'm still trying to build up. It was
100%. It's got that extra initial hit for sure. It seemed like at the top end, nah, still the top end. I got you all the way.
Yeah, 100%.
Well, dude, that was freaking awesome. Congrats on your car. Guys, smash that thumbs up button for Mike's new freaking Huracan Evo. This thing is absolutely badass. Slightly salty, you got the same wheels. I'm just kidding. I do like this though in black. It looks nice. The contrast of the rear spoiler. I feel like I kind of want to have a wing on my car.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't know. I think I need a wing.
A wing with the spider? That would be a first.
It would be a first.
I don't think I've seen that before.
Nobody has done, to my knowledge, a Huracan Evo with a wing yet, and I think it would look freaking cool. Also, what do you guys think about his Performante stripes? You know you don't have a Performante, right?
Well, you know, they are comparable, so.
I will say that the way it's explained to a lot of people, especially at dealerships, is this is basically a Performante for the road. It's got the same horsepower, and then with the active all-wheel drive, it's actually got kind of better driving dynamics than the Performante. I don't think the Lambo would ever put them head-to-head on the track, but they should totally do that.
Or we should do that.
Or we should do that. If somebody watching the channel has a Huracan Performante, we need to do a roll race with a stock Huracan Evo Coupe versus a Perf versus the tuned Spider.
And you're driving because obviously you're the better driver.
I guess so, I guess so. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.